This is box number 15 and the MRP of this box is 2285, and what all things you are getting in this box and free shipping. This 15 number box is for 1000 rupees and free shipping you are getting. You are getting this 2 packets of this coconut fiber. This is some decoupage paper. You can see these are set of 3. You are getting 2 jute bags. You are getting this silicone mold, resin mold, sorry. This is a big clock one you are getting, so I think it's open like this. Sorry. And you are getting this half pearl beads. This is in white color. This resin mold you are getting. There's some bamboo sticks, small ones. This is a miniature set you are getting. This you are getting. These are the resin flakes used in resin. ये glue के साथ नहीं work करते, in the resin only it works. And one this stones. This is a resin one. रेजिन में यूज़ होता है, कहीं पे भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. These are some feathers, wooden embellishments you are getting. You can see. This is a clock movement wherever you want to place or stick. This is a feather in MDF, 2 Buddha pieces. Some embellishments, spoons, 3D fridge magnets you are getting. More things you are getting in this box. These 2 leaves, 3 leaves and 1 flower, not least. And this 4 pieces of, like you can say, Rajasthani ones. And this is a complimentary tape for this box. This is a box number 15 and the offer price is 1000 rupees free shipping. So, and the MRP is 2285. If you are sure, please book in the comment section. So we are posting in Facebook, Instagram and the YouTubes, wherever you want. So book only in the comment section once. कोई भी 3 पोस्ट पे आप एक जगह पोस्ट करोगे without any confusion. Thank you.